Good day! Our topic today is about patterns and numbers in nature and the world. We will be talking about the essence of mathematics and how it shapes the world around us. One of the things we love most of mathematics is its ability to reveal hidden beautiful patterns in our everyday life, the nature around us. If you want to fully understand the world using mathematics, first you need to find pattern. Next, you need to represent pattern in the form of shapes and number. And finally, you need to interpret the symbol. Patterns everywhere. There are so many patterns around us. In countries with 4 seasons, the sequence is always winter, spring, summer, or fall, and our body follows a natural internal process that regulates the sleep and wake cycle that repeats every 24 hours, called the circadian rhythm. Patterns, as you can see from the examples I've mentioned a while ago, are regular, repeated, or recurring forms of designs. Every day we see patterns and it helps us understand, manipulate, and appreciate the world around us. It is also interesting to know that these patterns of nature are being used by humans in designing magnificent structures. For example, this famous Kuala Lumpur Tower of Malaysia, which is an example of symmetrical structure. What is symmetry? Symmetry indicates that you can draw an imaginary line across an object and the resulting part are mirror image of each other. For example is this butterfly. When we put the imaginary line, we can see that the left and right wing mirrors each other. The Vitruvian Man of Leonardo da Vinci also shows the proportion and symmetry of the human body. We also have spiderwort, which is an example of threefold symmetry, a starfish, fivefold symmetry, and can you consider a snowflakes as an example of sixfold symmetry? Of course, yes, because it contains sixfold of symmetrical figures. And did you know that snowflakes is an example of fractals? Fractals is where the objects repeats again and again in different scales and sizes. Tessellation is a pattern of shape that fit together with no gaps. Example is this honeycomb, sunflower, and a pineapple. Spiral, on the other hand, is a curved pattern that focuses on a center point and series of circular shapes that revolve around it. We cannot predict future, but we can predict the weather using the weather patterns. And did you know that when you type a word in the computer, the CPU reads it differently? Because the computer uses binary digits. So you see, there are examples around us shaped by mathematics with hidden pattern without us even knowing about it. That's the true beauty of mathematics. Next time you step outside your home, I'm sure that most of you would give a shot to decode the math and find patterns in your surroundings. So there you go, folks. Patterns and number in nature and the world. I'm Rodelyn Miran of BSBA 1E. Thank you!